to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Baslan, December 29, 2024, 4-star Sudoku. 9th grade and 6th row we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. Second row we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Second row, third row we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. Column E we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then second grade. Two numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, two numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, three numbers are remaining 4, 5, 7. 8th grade, we have 5. Fourth row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, two numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 4, 3. 7th row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come in this cell. Then it will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, and 4th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column I we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 7th row we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. Column B we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining 2 and 3. 9th grade we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 1st grade, 1 will come any one of these cells. Then first row we have 1, 2, 8, 3. The 4 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come in this cell. Column B also we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of these cells. 7th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 7th row, two numbers are remaining 1 and 8. Column G we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining 5 and 9. 6th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th grade, two numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, two numbers are remaining 2 and 8. It will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. 4th row and 5th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Column B also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 8, 7. First row and 5th row we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row and fifth row we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 1, 7. Column B, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then sixth row, only one number remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Fifth row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then seventh grade, only one number remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Fourth row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column A, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column D, two numbers are remaining, 2, 1, 3. Fifth row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth grade, and column F, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Fifth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column H, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Sixth grade and fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column H, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First grade, column C, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. First row we have 8, so it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column H we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth grade and ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column H we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third grade and third row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.